This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. Celebrated for its exceptional craftsmanship and status, Rolex has come to represent success and distinction. However, beneath this refined exterior exists a complicated and often elusive market that can conquer even experienced collectors. In this video brought to you by the luxury world, we will delve into the insights of an experienced watch dealer who sheds light on the intricacies of the Rolex watch market. We will explore the insights of a seasoned watch dealer who has lifted the veil on the realities of the Rolex market, exposing the hidden truths that often go unnoticed by even the most discerning buyers. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, we encourage you to do so to stay informed about future content. Rolex's reputation is built on exclusivity. Its timepieces are marketed as rare, highly sought-after commodities. Walk into any authorized Rolex retailer, and the chances of finding the latest Submariner, Daytona, or GMT Master 2 in stock are slim. This perceived scarcity plays a critical role in fueling the desirability of these watches. However, the reality, as exposed by many insiders, including experienced watch dealers, is that Rolex deliberately controls the supply of its most popular models. The scarcity is, in large part, a calculated move by the brand to maintain high demand and, in turn, elevate the resale value of its watches on the gray market. For many, acquiring certain watches, particularly those with distinctive dials, specific models, and popular style sports watches, has become increasingly challenging. The current market trends suggest that without a strong connection with an authorized dealer or a history of making significant, regular purchases, the effort may not be worthwhile. While there are exceptions, such as professional resellers who maintain close ties with dealers and continue to receive allocations, most sought-after models are often available at or slightly above retail prices. For instance, models like the Ghost have been priced around 10 to 20% over retail, reflecting their scarcity. Many potential buyers have grown frustrated with the waiting game, as they seek not only the watch but the complete luxury purchasing experience. The frustration stems from having to settle for less desirable watches due to market conditions, which diminishes the joy of the buying process. In contrast, a watch dealer emphasizes that their service goes beyond simply selling watches. They take pride in offering a rewarding experience, something their clients have positively acknowledged. While maintaining a good relationship with an authorized dealer can be advantageous, it is essential to consider the specific watch in question. Even long-time loyal customers may find themselves bypassed by certain models. Ultimately, deciding to visit an authorized dealer should be done with careful thought. In 2024, insights from various sources indicate that the Rolex market has remained quite active. With a wealth of information from client feedback and trade data, it is evident that while sales volumes have risen, profit margins have become tighter. There has been a noticeable increase in the number of watches sold, prompting the need for additional team members to manage the growing demand. Prices seem to have stabilized, making the market more competitive than before. The process of acquiring inventory has also become slightly more favorable, allowing for lower-cost purchases and, in turn, enabling sales at more accessible prices. However, managing pricing continues to be a challenge, as reputation, trust, and credibility are crucial factors. Although the market is undeniably bustling, it has shifted to become more favorable for buyers. Those who have been hesitant over the last 2 to 3 years due to inflated prices are now more willing to make purchases. Looking ahead, the expectation is for the market to remain stable, suggesting a steady path in the near future. While the market is generally viewed as safe and steady, there are signs it may continue to experience a slight decline. Recent discussions have pointed to the potential effects of new watch releases and current trends among flippers, who are acquiring fewer watches than in previous years. This change could create opportunities for regular buyers at authorized dealers. However, if supply remains limited due to the excess of higher-end pieces that dealers are currently holding, there may still be a shortage of new watches entering circulation. Consequently, prices might stabilize rather than decrease further, with the potential for gradual increases over time. There is a growing trend among buyers who are now purchasing watches primarily for personal enjoyment rather than viewing them solely as investment opportunities. Collectible pieces are still actively being sold, and many customers are excited to wear and appreciate them. While the market is currently categorized as a buyer's market, it remains strong, with clients across the globe continuing to make purchases. The outlook for the latter half of the year appears promising, with expectations for ongoing stability in the coming years. Ideally, more clients will have the opportunity to acquire watches from authorized dealers, enjoy them, and later reintroduce them to the gray market. In 2024, many buyers seem to prioritize the enjoyment of their watches over concerns about future resale values. However, some long-term collectors still see certain models, such as the celebration dial, as valuable investments. Although investment language is not commonly employed, some collectors identify specific watches as promising long-term options. The overall investment market, however, does not appear particularly robust, with many buyers opting for fully stickered watches to wear rather than store as investments. External factors, including recent economic developments, have influenced market dynamics. For those considering long-term purchases, a cautious approach is recommended, focusing on a few select models rather than spreading resources thin across numerous watches is advisable. Currently, buyers are gravitating toward rare dials and unique models while still showing interest in popular options like Pepsi. Discussions around the current state of the market have highlighted a surplus of available watches and a slowdown in new model releases. While some buyers are setting aside certain pieces, such as those with meteorite dials or rare combinations, many are actively wearing these watches while viewing them as potential investments. This dual approach allows buyers to enjoy their timepieces while also considering future profits. However, the number of dedicated investors appears to be declining. Most high-value pieces are being acquired by collectors who intend to wear them. Some buyers are even eyeing models like the Sprite for their uniqueness and potential investment value. Although these models currently have relatively low market prices, many believe they are undervalued. Historically, Rolex has introduced unexpected models that can significantly impact future values, and industry experts suggest that models featuring popular traits, such as Jubilee bracelets or celebration dials, could be strong long-term investments. Additionally, meteorite variants, including the upcoming meteorite Pepsi, are also expected to perform well in the future. Looking ahead, expectations are for a stable and active market. Many believe that current buyers, who are focused on enjoying their watches, will continue this trend. Recognizing the shifts in the market, there is hope that Rolex will adapt its strategies over time. While official production figures show an increase in watch output, concerns persist regarding the distribution of these watches, which often favors flippers over loyal customers. With Rolex planning to open a new factory in Switzerland by 2029, the brand needs to address the issues surrounding waiting lists and ensure that more watches are available to genuine enthusiasts. There is a growing sentiment that Rolex could benefit from revising its approach, such as offering discounts on high-demand models or bundling them, which could stimulate sales without diminishing the brand's prestige. The current exclusivity model might be deterring potential buyers, resulting in missed opportunities. Overall, there is a call for a more customer-centric strategy that aligns with the strong demand for Rolex watches. The market is experiencing a positive shift as buyers increasingly purchase watches for personal use rather than solely as investments. This trend fosters a more dynamic market, encouraging buyers to sell, trade, and circulate pieces. Conversely, the previous focus on investment-driven purchases seems to be declining, leading to a more vibrant and engaged community of watch enthusiasts. What are your thoughts on the topic that we shared in this video? If you enjoyed the video, we would appreciate it if you let us know by leaving a comment and giving it a thumbs up. Do not forget to follow our channel for more content. Thank you for watching The Luxury World, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.